This is the 800,000 chicken farm turnkey project we undertook. Our factory is located in China. We have introduced advanced technologies from Europe. We started from 2005 till now. The video was shot in 2015. There are 10 houses. We finished this turnkey case in 2012. Here are steel, chicken house, chicken cage with equipment, feed units, house ventilation, efficient management system, 96% rate egg production. One person manage one house. Here are 800,000 chickens, 80,000 layer chickens per house. Are headquartered in Hong Kong, with factories in China, Nigeria, Tanzania, Ethiopia. Our design and quality are from Europe. Contact us now for your poultry farm turnkey plan and solution.